Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So a few weeks ago I purchased a 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance. And although I am not planning to do a whole lot of upgrades to this car, I do have a few accessories in mind. So the first thing I'm going to be installing today are the illuminated door sills. So the stock door sills that come in a car are super basic, plastic, so we're going to remedy that today. Alright guys, so here are the door sills. I took everything out of the box to save some time. And this is pretty obvious. The short ones are for the back, the long ones are for the front. Let me zoom in a little closer. What you'll see here is the little magnet that actually goes onto the door. And as I'm installing things, I'll show you exactly where it goes and how to get it installed. A little marker where the actual magnet will have to be on the door in order to turn it off when the door is closed, and obviously turn it back on when the door is open. Okay, they are a carbon fiber pattern. As you can see, it's got a little plastic over it that I'll remove shortly. The kit comes with everything, so the batteries are already pre-installed on the sills. This is an extra set of batteries that the kit comes with. Then you have an install kit. These are actual pieces that will be showing the marking on the door area where the magnet will attach to. So again, I'll show you exactly how that gets installed. A couple of pry bars, extra accessories in case if you need them later, and additional magnets in case if you lose the ones that come with the kit already sort of taped to the door sills. All right, so first things first, of course, let's go ahead and remove the stock door sills, get the areas cleaned up, and get these installed in the car. All right, guys, first things first, let's get this stock one removed from the car. Alright guys, the area is prepped. The rest of the install is again pretty simple. Just removing the backing tape and get it installed in the car. Now I already checked it before I installed this door sill to make sure the light actually does light up, right? So take a little magnet, put it in this area, and the light will go off, and then remove it and the light will go back on. So obviously before you stick it onto the car, just get that checked. All right, so let's go to the next step. So for the next step, what you get with the kit is these four little rings, right? Basically what you have to do is just peel one off, and with a sticky side leave it up and put it over this rubbery squishy thing that comes pre-installed on the sill. And what we have to do now is we actually have to close the door, and this ring, or whatever you want to call it, will stay on the door side. Now before we do that, just make sure you clean the bottom of the door area where this will go on. Alright, just use some alcohol and just prep that area. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna bring it a little closer so you can see that little ring is gone, and if we look on the bottom, there it is. Alright, perfect placement. So now what we do is we're gonna take this little magnet, oops, that came with the kit, right? It's got again a double-sided tape on the back of it. Gonna carefully peel it and put it right in the center of this. Okay. All right, guys. So there it is. The little piece of magnet is there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this rubber ring. Okay, and hopefully this thing focuses. So that's where the magnet is. Make sure it's nice and flush. And what you do next is, we actually have this also part of the kit, these little clear circles. Again, they're sticky, so just peel it off, okay, and put it right over the magnet. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, and there it is. Just an extra precaution to make sure that magnet stays in place. Alright, and the final step, obviously, let's remove the protective film. Alright guys, that's the driver's side. Let's go ahead and repeat the same thing on the passenger side. Alright guys, the front's done. Time to do the rear. Now as you can see, the rear section barely has anything, so the new addition will definitely make it look substantially better. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing removed. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of illuminated door sills on my 2025 Testla Model 3 Performance. Quick shout out and big thanks to Hansshow for sending them to me to get them installed and reviewed. Now I'm sure you have noticed that I haven't done any reviews or overviews of my 25 Testla Model 3 Performance. Simple fact, there's actually quite a few of them already on YouTube, but in case if any of you would like to see a video like that, I'll gladly do it. Just post a comment below. Alright guys, so that will do it for today. Hope this video was helpful to some of you. If you like the video, as always, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more install videos, and I will see you soon. Take care.